This is a 3-person assembly project. Before beginning assembly, make sure all contents and hardware listed in the assembly guide are included. Let's start by assembling the seat. Attach the seat frame S to the seat back R using 2 screws Z'd. Hand tighten only at this stage. Next, attach arms M and N to the seat frame using 4 screws T. Again, hand tighten only. Gather the front swing supports A and back swing supports B, 1 set for each side of the swing. Attach the 2 back swing supports B to the rear of both arms using 2 screws U, each with a washer W. Hand tighten loosely to align. Next, attach the front swing supports A to the front of both arms using 2 screws T with washers W. Using tool V, fully tighten screws U first for the back swing supports. Then fully tighten screws T for the front swing supports. Now, use tool V to also fully tighten all remaining screws used for the arms and seat frame. Now let's build the frame. Let's start with the right side of the frame. Gather back right leg F, front right leg D, top right bar L, and bottom right bar I. Using 8 screws X, attach both legs to the top right bar L. Hand tighten only at this stage. Next, use 4 screws Y to attach the bottom right bar I to both legs. Hand tighten only. Now, assemble the left side of the frame. Gather back left leg E, front left leg C, top left bar K, and bottom left bar I. Using 8 screws X, attach both legs to the top left bar K. Hand tighten only at this stage. Then use 4 screws Y to attach the bottom left bar I to both legs. Hand tighten only. Let's move on to the top of the frame. Gather the back top bar J and 2 top bars G. Have two persons hold the right and left sides of the frame upright, with the back right leg F resting on the ground. Using two screws Y and one screw T, attach the back top bar J to the back right leg F. Hand tighten loosely for now. Next, place the back left leg E side on the ground and repeat the same steps for the left side of the frame. Finally, attach the two top bars G to both sides of the frame using 4 screws X and 8 screws Y. Carefully flip the frame over so it is standing upright. Gather the back bottom bar H. Using 4 screws Y, attach it to the back bottom of the frame. Hand tighten loosely. Now, let's gather the canopy tube P. Place the canopy tube P on top of the frame, sliding it all the way toward the back until it reaches the inner screw holes on both back legs. Adjust the position so it aligns with the screw holes on all 4 vertical leg tubes. Attach it using 8 screws Y. Hand tighten loosely at this stage. Gather the 2 spines O. Fit each spine into the mounting slots underneath the canopy, positioned perpendicular to the top bars G. Using tool V, fully tighten all screws. Gather the 4 spring hooks, Q, attach them to the front and back swing supports, then hang them onto the loops of the top bars. Make sure the hooks are hung from the back of the loops toward the front. And that's it. Your Menlo swing is now fully assembled and ready to enjoy outdoors.